take a bath over here. It's almost like 2:40. Still time, but it's getting darker. Before the rain comes, we need to go back. At the same time, almost like a half a kilometer go up. Then it's going to be tiring, so I'm leaving. I highly recommend for everyone this place. Please come and enjoy the place. Look at it. Seriously nice. I'm going back. The problem is now you're going to climb up. I don't know, you can see me now. It's too dark here. Cloudy day. Any moment can rain over here. I was worried whether I can make it or not, because in this place the climate changing by hour, which is not good for drone flight. You need to bring some snacks and water. Seriously, it's a very good workout, climbing up and down. Look at, still climbing. Still, there's a view deck in the beginning. This is the view deck I'm talking about. I just want to see how it look like from the top. People who cannot go, still you can get a waterfalls view from this view deck. So look at that. Looks like this is different waterfalls. This is different. Yeah, that is the falls I'm talking about. Amanjuray waterfalls. For that, there is no way to go reach. Only from this view deck you can enjoy the waterfalls, because there is no path to reach there. But there's another falls over there, Amanjuray. That one you can go by walk. That is a path over there. Check it out. Okay, I already went there. I enjoyed the falls over there. Really beautiful falls. I highly recommend for everyone. Okay, that's very, very important. Since I have a drone shot for this waterfalls. Excellent drone shot. You will watch in this video. For 20 paisa entrance fee, you have 5 waterfalls. Really very cheap. Philippines always beautiful. I highly recommend for everyone. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in the next video soon. Thank you. I'm really glad I went to the view deck. Without the view deck, I would have missed that waterfalls. Now I'm going home. It's only 11 kilometers from here. Probably like a 15 minutes bike drive. This is a place we laughed at the beginning because looks like the bridge is closed, but down the road is open. Look at it. But in the future, there is a nice bridge is coming up. That is a good thing. That's a very good thing. Always is a good thing. In the future, there is a nice bridge coming up there. So it's going to be fantastic later. Maybe next time I come, the bridge will be ready. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in the next video soon. Thank you.